Okay, one last thing we're going to talk about today is MCP elicitation. When I gave access to this model, to this tool called add interests, things really got out of hand. I just said, make me a newspaper, and I saw this. It said, excellent. Let me also update your interests based on today's discoveries and add a couple more interest areas. And it added agentic AI, agent infrastructure, recursive reasoning, edge AI. Recursive reasoning, what is that? I never said I'm interested in that. I never said I'm interested in that. Why did you use a tool that went and modified the fundamental truth on the server side about what I like? Because now, every day, you're going to send me articles about recursive reasoning that I don't care about. Did I do something wrong as the MCP creator? Not really. I feel like I should expose the ability to like add, read, interest, etc. That's what makes it more personalized. If I didn't do something wrong as the server creator, and the LLM, was still kind of confused and took decisions that I was not happy about, could I have prevented this? This was a problem that a lot of people in the early age of agentic AI were facing when MCP released a new spec or feature called elicitation. And elicitation, let me show you the analogy first, is this. Suppose I ordered like fish tacos, vegan fish tacos. Vegan fish tacos, just pretend they need to be cooked to a certain temperature, okay? So, in this world, when Ingrid ordered vegan fish tacos, and the chef said to the kitchen, hey man, cook the fish. And the kitchen, with all of its understanding of what tools it has, like pots and pans and ovens, etc., the kitchen, meaning the MCP server, knows I need to ask the end user how they would like it cooked. Or the kitchen knows that it should ask, does this person have any allergies? Okay? The kitchen knows to ask that, but Chef Miguel is new, and Chef Miguel didn't ask that. So MCP provides you with a way for the server to circumvent the LLM and go straight to the end user and ask them a question. That's kind of cool, and it's kind of important. So it can come, this is, you see, Chef Miguel is not involved here technically. The kitchen sent the MCP client with a accept, decline, or dismiss box saying, are you allergic to fish, right, or something, soy? And you can say yes, no, or choose not to answer. That is elicitation. So what if I can do that in my add and remove interest tool? I can say, and this is the last thing I'll show you, that if trying to add interests, this is the new tool version, elicit a question. This is hard-coded into the servers itself, asking, are you sure you want to add these topics to your interests? And the user has to say yes. Only then will the tool do its job. Just because the LLM says, hey, add this interest to the interest file, it will not do that. It will say, hey, you hold on for a second. I need to ask the user a question. So let me show you how that works here. If I say, tick, 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 just make a new one, go to the client, use this client, it initiates it, and I'm just going to say add some new interests. Add a lot of new interests to my profile. Your interests are agentic AI only. Let me, it's thinking of something, I'd be happy to add a new interest to your profile. There we go. See? It tried to call this tool called add interests. It tried to add these things, and there's an elicitation box that circumvented the LLM and came straight to me and said, are you sure you want to add these 100 topics? Really? What? Okay, 4.5 is on drugs. But I can say, no, I don't want to add 100. Operation decline. And the agent's going to be like, huh? You didn't want to add 100 topics, right? And I can stop it and be like, oh, it got the message already. It's saying, do you want to add these 48 topics? It got the message by itself. 4.5 is also smart, right? Anyway, so I can decline things. And what this is telling you is that MCP people have done a lot of things to make your life easier. And they have given you the power to ask the user something directly. Okay.